like to welcome everybody back. We're going to highlight our first project of the year, loosely called Breaking the Ice. They have to get a disc across the ground into a bucket, making something out of very limited materials. This is a good intro project because it gives some good exposure to levers, structural strength, trajectories, manufacturing processes. As they build these, they put themselves basically into two different groups. You've got the slider group, and then you've got what we will loosely call the flyers group, depending on which way you want to get it there, whether sliding across the floor through a small gap or up through the sky and across as it goes through the whole process. Most people this time around chose like a catapult style, but as you can see, everybody's answer is a little bit different. And I think that's an important part of this whole process, is not telling the students how to solve the problem, but just giving them the tools to create their solutions to the problem as it may be. This group this year did incredibly well.
Too much pressure.
We had the best versions of the catapults that we've ever had come through with very high accuracy ratings. Real happy with the results that we had this go around. And the students, whether they know it or not, are learning these concepts, like how do you make cardboard strong? How do you increase structural rigidity? How do you get human error out of the process of a repeatable firing of what they made? It's all part of the fun and a good example onto what we're going to learn in here about the proper ways to engineer things and to make things. We had a good time of it, and at the end of the day, that's the important part, because if the students don't enjoy the work they're doing, they will not work as hard on it. I hope you enjoyed this little blip, and we will continue doing great things.